welcome. Meet the car. Short walk around video. It is C registration 1965 with a leather shell on it. A few issues we'll talk about as we go around. Rust obviously being one of them. It used to be blue, as you can see. This needs a circlip on the inside, it's broken. This door hinge is a little ropey as well. We've got running boards are rusty. I think the bottom edge of this quarter panel's gone. You can see the bolts rusted out there. The trim is half off and half on. And I'm going to take all these out and I'm going to put the wider trim back on. And so we've got a slight camber on the rear wheels. Bit of chrome, this is going to come off. It's obviously a rat look. That was the aim. I've put a new carburetor on it since it arrived. Haven't tuned it yet, so I need to do that. That'll be the next step. You'll see that in the next videos, which are slightly out of sync because I forgot to do this. Okay, so yeah, towel rails. Issues with rust right across this seam. Yeah, right down the seam there. I have an issue with algae on the garage doors, don't need to sort out. Again, trim only half on this side. This running board seam better does as well. You can see the hole in the corner. So new running boards required. And again, paint. Rust right down that seam. Needs to be cleaned off. All in all, it's not in too bad of order. It's gonna run. I know it's gonna run. He's had some bits replaced here and there. Sort of kept in running order. Front of the bonnet's in good nick, so that tells you something, doesn't it? Because they're normally rotten to hell, and so is that front panel, which isn't. It's been replaced at some point. So yeah, quick walk around video. And there she is, 1965 Volkswagen Beetle. Oh, hang on, no, didn't do the interior there. There we go. Hand sprayed on a budget. We've all got budgets. I'll be working to a budget to this. I'll be recovering the seats. I know the previous owner wanted all the red, hence the red on the outside of the wheels, but I'm going to remove the red and make my own colour scheme throughout and theme. So in the coming weeks and months I'll be removing the red paint and replacing it with a different colour scheme, which you'll see coming up. Okay, so there we go. The 1965 VW Beetle. Oh, I think this is where I say like and subscribe, and I think it helps the channel, so it says. That's what everybody else says. Cheers, bye.